Hello and welcome Upper Cape Tech clinical faculty for the PN program. This is a brief tutorial on the new version of the PN clinical evaluation for PN106 Spring 24. TracPrac is the digital system to manage and monitor clinical evaluations for each of the PN clinical courses. It is web-based and accessed by both students and instructors at TracPrac.com. Here are a few best practices when using TracPrac for online clinical evaluations. Number one, if you ever forget your password, you may go to the sign-in box and click Forgot Password to have a reset link sent to you. Two, as a reminder, if you're using a Mac, please always use the Safari browser as this updates your submissions more quickly. Do not use the browser back or forward buttons because you can lose submissions. And three, our support is available to chat live on our website at TracPrac.com Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You may also email us directly at info@TracPrac.com. Instructors will get started with the PN106 evaluation by signing in to TracPrac.com. Click on the Evaluation tab and select PN106 from the dropdown. On the right-hand side at the top, you will see a blue button as shown on the screen to click Create New PN106. Once the evaluation opens, the instructor will now select the student name from the dropdown, type in the semester, Spring 24, choose whether or not the student's on clinical probation, and then under the formative evaluation dropdown, you will have the option to begin with the entry you choose. If you'd like to start with the formative, you can choose formative 1 or 2, or if you'd like to skip to the midterm, you may choose midterm. Under the clinical date box, you will select the date, and then in the clinical instructor box, you will type in your name. Now you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Draft to save your evaluation, and then return to it and complete it later. The instructor will rate the student for each of the 4 criteria or objectives, and then they can type comments in the comments box. If there are no comments for the student, you may type in not applicable or NA. You will scroll down and click Save Draft or Submit if you'd like to submit your entry to the student immediately. Step number 3 for the final evaluation or final summative, this will open on the final column. This will allow you to select each objective and provide a rating for each objective under each of the standards. This will be your final step of the evaluation for the semester and will submit it to the student directly. For navigation, you may always click on the Evaluation tab and select your course number. You will see a listing of all entries submitted. Under the status column, you will see Ready for Review or Draft in Progress. Click Continue Eval to open the evaluation or View Detail if you're just previewing the evaluation. Click Export to download a PDF copy. At the end of the course, once the final evaluation has been submitted, all evaluations will show under the completed filter on the listing page for the course. The final will complete the evaluation and move it to the completed filter. Thanks for watching this UCT instructor video tutorial. You may access this video at any time at the link shown on the screen. Please contact support on our live chat at TracPrac.com. Thank you.